Mini Mack truck build part 4, I think. I'm dyslexic with numbers. Anyhow, it's about the 8th Saturday of April, I think. So approximate under 3 months. 6th of January I started, but less than 3 months because I've had a week off and a bit of 2 weeks off. Anyway, about 3 months, give or take an hour or 6. So I'm busy flaring up the bonnet, trying to get some paint on. Got my stacks just about sorted. I call them Hendrix pipes, as in Jimi Hendrix, Reach for the Sky. So we've got the Hendrix pipes on. I managed to track down another tank, but it's 10 litres small on the other side, which doesn't matter. And I noticed it's got a pinhole in it, so I'll have to take that up. I've made my tray frame because it's only going to have a few boards on the back and the tow hitch. I got some stainless sheet and it's away getting folded to do the front bumper, and I'm trying to get somebody to do my back guards, which are really awkward because they're rolled with a bullnose edge and I can't find anybody who can do it. The front guards are going to probably be fiberglass. I got some bigger wheels for the front. Got some 5.5s instead of 4.5s, so then wheelbarrow wheels have gone, and I might be able to get an 825 tyre on there, which would be good. Got some batteries today. Got my seat brackets all in. The dash is going to look very salubrious. I'm going to make a dummy windscreen. This screen is all scratched, I've wrecked it messing around, so I need a new screen, but I've got a new rubber on there, and the glass guys came and put my upstairs windows in and my back window in. But the sad thing is, Sean from the glass guys got killed on his bike when I was away on holiday, so I didn't know Sean, poor soul, was a goner because he was a real good sort. Got my spare wheel carrier made, trays made. Them bumpers are going to be sandblasted and painted and go on there. A bit of alley will go on there. It's a bit pissed, but it'll go on there. I made some conical reducers for there. That's going to go on there. Still not sure what colour we're going to paint it yet. So need another pair of tank brackets for the other side. Get the other tank on. Need a thing in there for the gauge. Front guards, see, I might do them in glass. It's a bit prick to do. So trying to get the thing weather tight. I need some mini Mark 1 and Mark 2 door rubbers. Seem to have lost them in transaction, so I've lost all this shit, which is a pity. So I'm going to try and find that. So, the Mini Mack bonnet's getting heavier because it's got about 2 big tins of filler in it. So, see, that donk's going to have to do for now, but there's plenty of room in there to put a 6-banger or more in when I get a bit of sponsorship when it's on the road. I trimmed all these back a bit and tidied them up. Didn't like the sharp corner, I keep banging my freaking head on it. So looking for a mini screen, mini Mark 1, Mark 2 door rubbers, complete. We'll be putting bigger tyres on the front. Also looking for a mini Austin Mini grill for there. I've got lights, I've got winkers. Oh, and a mini bumper. I need a mini bumper on there. But all in all, we're still having debate on what colour to do it. Some people say camouflage and make it look like a Red Army tank transporter. Don't know.